Hi, Jessica. I'm just looking over your student portfolio for week 2 and 3. It looks like maybe week 4. And I wish I could find some way to inspire the rest of the students to follow what you do, because this is quite amazing. You have really provided a very strong argument for your A and maybe even higher. You have, oh, that's interesting. You've organized it by queries here. So you have a number of, okay, I'm just going through all the queries. Look at you organizing that. Okay. Wow. Okay. That's a lot of work. Um, and then the tool evaluation that you've done and Pictory AI and the limitations and the resources and that's one heck of a review. So extremely well done. 3 hours. Wow. Okay. Um, okay. Nice. Okay. So I'm just looking at you done. Okay. That's very nice. In your personal project and flowchart and I have to talk to you and Laura about this because it looks like so much work has gone. Oh, that's interesting. I'm seeing different things, tool review and sheet and brainstorm. Okay. It seems so much work has gone into your project and then it's a story that gets produced and then I get confused because I think, well, you could do this with uh, Gemini Storybook. Um, so, but I'm probably missing something because you clearly have put a lot of work into this. So, and definitely thinking your contributions are top notch. Um, I'm trying to figure out why you aren't giving yourself A plus. First-hand experience, critical, careful assurance. Okay, I would honestly say that this is A plus work. Um, oh, I guess here, if I had your link here is not linked to a label. Uh, it's just the links popped in there. I'm assuming you know how to do that. You highlight, right click, insert link, and then put that, and then it's a little neater. Let's take a look at week 3 and give myself a smile. So, wow, okay, the justification is really, really strong. You've given your queries here, which is really interesting. Yep, okay. Yeah, you do keep your, okay. Yeah, no, yeah, you've done all that I've asked for here. We have this NI activity and you use brainstorm. Okay, you brainstorm the challenges and I'm going to guess that's the activity there. And I'm just going through that challenge. Yeah, well, I'm not sure ChatGPT will help with a significant wage disparity. Maybe preparation time, systemic devaluation of profession. That's yeah. Inadequate support for complex behavioral needs. Okay, so that might be something. Role ambiguity and scope creeps. So you decided inadequate support for complex needs. You selected Notion AI, develop tracking sheets, create a new data, prompt use, to create a functionally database, limitations, privacy concerns may require. Okay. Well, it sounds like just a wonder, like you've really done this. That's what I hope that everybody was going to do it this way, but um, and then you have your personal project achieved, change that spelling, and um, you you clearly put a lot of work into that. Your contributions are strong. and you did an evaluation. This is A plus. That's my perception. And it looks like you've done this again and continuing to lowball yourself with the A. There's a lot of effort there. You've got your queries, which is great that you're keeping track of them. Boy, you're organized. And your personal project. Oh, I see you've done it this way. Okay. Oh, okay. You completed the project. Um, Timeline status, what you learned, prompting, many iterations, manual editing's faster, document challenge became fuzzy. Okay, so it sounds like you're having a lot of problems with the images. I'm curious to see what you think of this storybook. Um, Strong community contributions as usual. You're A plus. That's what just like your buddy Laura, and I can't tell you how um, I don't get out much joyful this makes me feel because you've done such a wonderful job. So thank you.